Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with me and Mom. When a kid learns to form a sentence, we teach them how to use articles in a sentence. These articles are a, an, the. And to use these articles in a sentence, there are some rules. So in today's video, I am going to share these rules as to when you can use a, when you can use an, and when you can use the in a sentence. So let's start. First we'll consider article A. Article A, if a noun or a word starts with a consonant sound like B, C, D, E, etc. Usually in kindergarten class, kids are taught about vowels and consonants like A, E, I, O, U are vowels and remaining other alphabets are consonants. So, if a noun or a word starts with a consonant sound like k, at, cat, C is a consonant, then we can use a cat, a child, a doctor, a kite. Also, there is one more rule that you cannot use a with the plural nouns. It can be used only with the singular nouns like it can't be a cats, a children, a doctors. No. A can be used only when there is a singular noun or a word. So next we will consider the article an. If the noun starts with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, like for example, egg. Egg starts with the vowel sound E. Then we can use an egg. Apple, an apple. An ant, an orange. Also, for an also there is a same rule. You cannot use an with the plural nouns. It can't be an eggs, an apples, an ants. No. It can be only used with the singular noun only. For example, I got an apple. You cannot say I got an apples. This is a wrong sentence. You can always say I got the apples. I got the eggs. And that is what we are seeing next. The article the. The can be used in front of all nouns. It can be plural, singular, countable, uncountable, any number. Also, the can be used to describe something or someone specific. For example, the earth. There is only one earth. So, the earth, the air, the south, the north, the moon, the sun. These are all something very specific. So here we will see some worksheets which will help in making the concept of articles clear to your kids. Let's start. It is dash cake. So here we have to fill an article like a, an. Now we have to see this word cake. C is a consonant. So if it is starting with a consonant, we have to write A. It is dash ear. Ear. E is a vowel. So it can be written as it is an ear. Next, it is dash mouse. M is a consonant. So it is a mouse. It is a mouse. It is a fish. It is an orange. It is a tomato. It is a tree. It is an igloo because I is a vowel. It is a doll. Now we will see some examples which include the article the. Here, the horse runs fast. He can play upon the flute very well. I was a boy running in the street. I saw an old man in the street. The moon is shining in the sky. We saw a snake in the grass. He read a book I gave him. I have a bag of rice. Can you tell me a story? We went to the zoo. Mickey is a mouse. So these are some examples where you can use a and the. I hope this video would be helpful for you to teach your kids about the articles a and the. Thank you for watching the video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload the videos which are related to preschool, nursery and kindergarten. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get a notification. Thank you for watching.